If you want to lose weight in a healthy, sustainable, and realistic way, this video is for you. This is not about extreme diets, it's not about starving yourself, and it's definitely not about punishing your body. This is about learning how to take care of yourself and build habits that actually last, no matter your age or your starting point. Weight loss isn't magic, and it's not something that happens overnight. It happens when your body consistently uses more energy than it takes in over time. Energy comes from food, and your body burns energy through daily movement, exercise, thinking, breathing, and even resting. But here's the part many people get wrong. Healthy weight loss is not about eating as little as possible. When you eat too little, your energy drops, cravings increase, and your body starts working against you instead of with you. Real progress comes from supporting your body, not fighting it. Instead of strict rules, focus on balance. At most meals, aim for a simple structure. Fill half your plate with vegetables or fruit, add a source of protein, and include carbohydrates for energy. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle. Carbohydrates fuel your body and brain. Vegetables add volume, fiber, and nutrients. This way of eating works at home, at work, or even when eating out. Snacks are not the enemy. Snacking only becomes a problem when it's mindless. Before grabbing food, pause for a moment and ask yourself what your body actually needs. Choosing snacks intentionally can help stabilize your energy and prevent overeating later. Simple snack options include fruit with nuts, yogurt, boiled eggs, smoothies, or vegetables with hummus. Another thing that often slows progress without people realizing it is liquid calories. Sugary drinks don't make you feel full, but they add up quickly. If you drink soda, sweetened coffee, or bottled juices, try slowly switching to water, infused water, unsweetened tea, or coffee with minimal sugar. You don't need to cut everything out at once. Even small changes matter. Eating consistently throughout the day is also important. Skipping meals might seem helpful, but it usually leads to extreme hunger and overeating later on. A regular rhythm of meals and planned snacks helps your body feel balanced and in control. Now let's talk about movement. Exercise is not something you do to punish yourself for eating. Movement is a way to support your health, improve your mood, and build strength. You don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or intense workouts every day. Walking, cycling, dancing, home workouts, stretching, or yoga all count. The best form of exercise is the one you can do regularly. Daily habits also play a huge role in weight loss. Getting enough sleep helps regulate hunger and energy. Drinking water throughout the day supports digestion and focus. Planning meals ahead reduces stress and impulsive choices. Slowing down while eating allows your body to catch up. These small habits often have a bigger impact than people expect. It's also important to talk about mindset. Progress is rarely a straight line. Your weight may go up, down, or stay the same for a while. That's normal. Instead of obsessing over the scale, pay attention to how you feel. Your energy levels, your strength, your consistency. Comparison can steal motivation. Your journey doesn't need to look like anyone else's. There are also some common mistakes to avoid. Extreme diets, cutting entire food groups, over-exercising, expecting fast results. Health is not a deadline. Weight loss is not a measure of your value. Real, sustainable weight loss is quiet. It looks like small changes repeated over time. It looks like learning your body instead of fighting it. Start where you are, do what you can, and keep going.